Once upon a time in a small village, there was a boy named Sam. Sam loved gardening, but he was not very patient. One day, his grandfather gave him a small bag of seeds. Plant these, water them every day, and wait. You will see something beautiful, said his grandfather. Sam was excited. He planted the seeds and watered them carefully on the first day. The next morning, he ran to the garden to check, but nothing had changed.
Why is nothing growing? Sam asked, frustrated. Be patient, Sam, his grandfather said with a smile. Good things take time. Days turned into weeks. Sam watered the seeds every day but saw no signs of growth. He wanted to stop, but his grandfather encouraged him to keep going. Sam, you will be rewarded. Finally, after a month, tiny green shoots began to appear. Sam was overjoyed. As time passed, the plants grew taller and bore beautiful flowers. Sam was amazed at the result. I did it, Sam said proudly. No, Sam, his grandfather replied. Patience did it. You learned that great things happen when you don't give up. Moral of the story: patience is important in life. Good things take time, so don't rush or give up too soon. Keep working and trust the process.